There's seasonings in there.
Yeah.
Can't cook today.
You can't cook today?
No. I'm not gonna put your face in it. The onion. What's this? Garlic, fresh ginger, bell peppers. Mister, let me cut these peppers.
Pretty much.
Don't that look pretty?
Yeah, see?
He perfectly did that. Who could cut their peppers like that? Not me. That looks amazing.
What it tastes like?
I don't know.
It doesn't
much
really.
is
It doesn't really. I didn't season it that much.
Doesn't have a lot of flavor yet.
I didn't season it that much.
Yeah. It's good though.
That looks so delicious. So I'm tasting this, okay? I can't taste but so much, but I'm tasting it.
Yeah, I'm just waiting till it cools down.
Oh, that shit rocking. Oh, that's good.